Ladies and gentlemen, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Republic of the Philippines.
Hawak kamay tayo para sa pagkasenso.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Republic of the Philippines.
Why am I here? I am here because I love my country and I love the people of the Philippines.
Tayong lahat.
Tacloban City Rehabilitation Resettlement Villages starting today.
Ang kalihim ng Department of Trade and Industry, Manuel Lopez, upang pangunahan ang awarding na sasaksihan ng
the people's interest. Lahat yan. And actually, noon sa unang panahon ng mundo, took them about, because puro corruption ang naabot ko doon. Sabi ko, clean the office. Yan lang ang maganda sa mga we come terms with it. Material, instead of yero, puro lalaki. At yung janitor na babae, huwag mong galawin yan. And the support of the Romualdezes. Pero sa Cebu, wala ko sa Danao, wala ko